Hi guys, I come with good news for Uthando Nesithembu. Uthando Nesithembu season 9 of Mzansi Magic reality TV show about Musa and his wives has been extended with 4 additional episodes. This means the current season of Uthando Nesithembu will air its final episode on the 14th of May. Now, remember that last week, Umaxele came and told us that Uthobile have a child, and we were left shocked as the viewers of Uthando Nesithembu because we did not know this information about Umakay. Now, this week, we are going to see Umusa talking to Umakay's sister. Makay's sister will say that Makhumalo has been pregnant several times, right? And she will also say, Umakhumalo unayo ingane. Sana. Like, I honestly, I refuse to believe that she meant Umpilo. I refuse to believe that she meant Umpilo because I'm like, Makhumalo have a child that we don't know about. Like, I want the storyline. So, I don't understand why people came for Umaxele when Umaxele exposed that Umakhumalo does have a child. Now look, her sister is confirming it. Now one user on Twitter wrote, Thobile also brought a conversation that she had with Umaxele in confidential off camera. So now, why is it wrong for Umaxele to tell us Thobile's files? You all have double standards. Honestly, I agree with what this user wrote here because I know and I understand that most people will be okay with Makhumalo's sister coming with all these files, telling us that Thobile has been pregnant multiple times, telling us that Uthobile does have a child, but when it was Maxele, it was wrong and totally unacceptable. For me, I think it has been confirmed since the sister has said Makhumalo have a child. Also, why is she saying that Makhumalo has been pregnant several times? Because we were under the impression, well, at least I was under the impression that Makhumalo has only been pregnant twice. The first pregnancy led to ectopic pregnancy, and the second pregnancy led to ectopic pregnancy, which caused the doctors to cut both her fallopian tubes. So therefore, she have difficulties conceiving naturally because she does not have tubes that transports the egg to the womb, right? Those were the assumptions that I was under. Now, her sister comes and says, listen, Makhumalo has been pregnant several times. I want to know how many times has Makhumalo been pregnant, and I want to know the other pregnancies ended because of what. Like, I really want to know why the other pregnancies ended, because honestly, Makhumalo came to us and portrayed herself as if she has only been pregnant twice, and both her pregnancies ended because of ectopic pregnancy. And now it looks like, no, that's not the truth, And if Makhumalo has been lying to us, honestly, I'm going to be mad. I am so sorry, but I am going to be mad because I'm going to be like, ma'am, do you understand that we have been sympathetic towards you, right? Now, her sister also says that Makhumalo does have a child. And honestly, I do not think that she means Umpilo. So if Makhumalo has been hiding a whole human from us, I don't know, guys. Like, I do not know. I just want to know some clarity. I am also glad that the season is being added with 4 more episodes because they couldn't have leave us hanging. Like, we want to know, well, at least I want to know more of Makhumalo's storyline. I want to know exactly what is happening with her. So I'm grateful for the parts that they are adding extra episodes. Now, Umakhwela is meeting up with her bestie Umaxele, and Umakhwela is doing exactly how she was instructed by Ubabake to ask Umaxele when is the lobola going to be completed. And she goes and asks Umaxele, so when amandwendwe abuya nini ukuzosivakashela, uMacele is like uyajaha. Sana, that's a shush. That was more like a shush. Don't talk about it, because uMacele is like, no, uyajaha. Uyajaha. Oh, like why are we talking about that now? Also last week we saw such an emotional scene between Ubabake and Usne when Usne was announcing her pregnancy, and Shame Bantla Ethel King who was absolutely not happy about Usne's pregnancy. He goes as far as asking Uguti Usne will be having another child again, and Usne is like, yeah, this is gonna be the third child. No, guys. I like Sne saying this is gonna be her fourth child, also counting the one that she miscarried. Do you understand Sne's honesty? Do you understand Sne's honesty? Which I feel like this is what my K owes us, especially because she's the one who brought her fertility issues to the show, and she's the one who made us as women to sympathize with her. That shame, she is struggling, she's having fertility issues. But then again, it seems like she filtered the story. She filtered it. She didn't tell us the brutal and the truth, and I want to know. I am so sorry. I want to know. So back to Ubabake and Usne. Ethel King goes to cry tears, after learning that Usne is pregnant, and he's like, who's gonna take care of this baby? Does this mean that I'm gonna have to take care of the baby? And I'm like, Ethel King, sometimes in life we have to appreciate what God gave us, okay? Initially, Ubabake wanted to have 20 children, but I don't think God wanted to bless him with 20 children. I do, however, feel like God want to bless Ethel King with 20 grandchildren, and he's refusing to accept that. Because remember, Umpumelelo have 3 kids, 2 with Uviogazi, 1 with Uterelo. Now Usne also have 3 kids. This means currently right now Ethel King have 6 grandchildren. Now remember that all the other children, all the other Moses children are still very much young. Obviously they're still gonna grow up and make their own children as well. So I do believe, I have faith that Ethel King will manage to have 20 grandchildren. And that's just one blessing that he's not willing to receive, especially because it comes from Usne. I doubt that if it was Mpumelelo telling him that he has impregnated someone, this was going to be his reaction. Highly doubt. Highly doubt. And of course, I'm not out here, and I'm never going to be out here condoning Sne's reckless behavior, especially because you can't have so many children that you can't support financially, You just cannot, We all know that Usne financially depends on her family to finance her life, right? Even though she's from such a well-known family, she could be exposed to many opportunities with her life. She refused to grab those opportunities. She just refused to grab them. And the exposure that TV has done for her, she refused to grab all those opportunities and be like, listen, I'm from a well-established family and I can make money. There are so many things that Usne can do. That she can even start a YouTube podcast. Trust and believe people are going to be watching Sne's podcast. Why? Because she has a name. She's come from such a well-known name. I don't know why is she not thinking out of the box and try to make her own money. Abomake, Abomakumalo, young wives have their own money right now, but Usne refuses, okay? So that's just the only one bad thing about her, is that she keeps on having children and she is not trying to make money so that she can afford to support her children. However, Sne is old enough, according to me. She is old enough to have children, and I don't think Ubabake should be crying about Usne. Where else he is the one who also advised Umpilo to fall pregnant for Uma Khumalo. Okay, but when it's Usne, he's out here throwing tantrums. You could swear that he's 5 years old and even going as far as like crying. So I'm like, bye, oh, that's we are exaggerator at the leaking. Anyway, guys, please also comment down below and tell me what do you think about the whole situation of Umakhumalo, fertility issues. I feel like the fertility issues of Makumalo is this season's butter and bread and butter, because it has sustained them. It's their main storyline right now, and the fact that Umakhumalo was out here exposing Umakhumalo. Makhele was out here exposing Umakhalo, because Umakhalo was just like, I'm not gonna let this slide. I want Umakhalo to be exposed. For what? For having a baby. And in a way, I do understand where is she coming from. You know, she felt like Umakhalo was attacking her, and she, in that manner, she felt like she needed to protect herself. And yeah, I don't know if she did enough to protect herself. That's the thing. I really do not know. But one thing about Umakhalo has been exposed to being a celebrity and online, a public figure, whatever. She knows how to do PR management. I think she's very good at that right now.
Le ngaphansi kwebhoji yes ayingala ngoba izongcolisa azish isandla siyashesha mafoti sit yabona mamrabhi iqolo wenza ngathi mrabhi qinisa ayisiyanqinisa njengoba mamrabhi iqolo uqinisa siyaqina phela insimbi le iqolo alilona insimbi hayi qinisa girl.
It looks like Umakhalo has found herself a new bestie in Osamke. You have just seen a video of Samke and Makhalo washing a pot. Anyway, guys, ziyashisa indaba zasemzombe, because Umakhalo has just released isigaxa about Umakhumalo that she had a child previously before she met Umusa Mseleku. Now, most people from Umzombe had this to say about Umakhumalo. First of all, I want to put it out there that this is not me, this is alleged, okay? Allegedly, this is what is being said by Uthobile. And someone from Facebook wrote this comment. Thina esikhule noThobile siyamazi wayeyisifebe sendawo ehamba ehlala eqoma endaweni eshintsha abafana. Umseleku wawuqoqa uThobile cause wayengalawuleki. Kwake kwaba ihlazo nje ukuthi uMusa ungenelwe yini ethandana nesifebe sendawo. Wawuqoqa until abe umuntu ohloniphekile. Umakhalo akawaqambi amanga. Ipasti kaMakhumalo yimbi kakhulu kwamadlala. Okubuhlungu izimanga zakhe ubezigila kubuka umphakathi, even ukumitha wamitha twice esikoleni eDlangaswa efeyila futhi. Umseleku wazi kahle ukuthi uThobile wamthatha kubaba wengane yakhe uThami Ngcobo next door wabo boyithu. Kuningi nje musani ukusukela Umakhalo akawaqambi amanga. Yay, Sana, this comment had me on chokes. It had me on chokes, because what is this? But also, guys, everyone have their own past, okay? Everyone have their own past. So what if Uthobile was a problematic child, you know? Probably she was going through adolescence. It's, you know, adolescence hits us differently. However, guys, one thing that we also need to note is that Thobile's dad just celebrated his 50th birthday, right? If I'm not mistaken, Thobile posted her dad celebrating a 50th birthday, of if not 51, between the two. So according to me, Thobile's dad have or rather is same age with Umusa. Umusa also was celebrating 50 just last year. So they are same age. And also it is alleged that when Thobile's father find out about a relationship Makhumalo and Umusa, he was angry, as he should be angry, you know. Like, no father will be happy to find out that their 18-year-old is dating someone who's old as him. And it is said that back then Umusa was working in a municipality, and Umusa was also a sort of a pastor or something, I don't know, but he was sort of something as well, and he was well respected within Mzumbe, you know. So for him to be actually dating an 18-year-old was something kind of you know. So it is alleged, again, guys, I'm coming with allegations here. I'm coming with allegations for you, okay? I am a reliable source. I'm coming with allegations, nothing but allegations. It's alleged, again, that Uthobile's father, as soon as she finds out about a relationship with Musa and Uthobile, she went and opened a case against Musa. So for me, this tells me that probably Uthobile was 16, because why would you open a case if your child is old enough, like probably 18 or 19? So this tells me that when this whole shenanigans started, Uthobile was probably 16. So guys, I don't know, because Umusa did not want to comment further. And this makes me wonder why Umusa was very much calculative in what he is saying and not saying. He did not want to comment further about Khumalo having a child or not having a child, okay? It makes me wonder why. Is it because Ubabu Khumalo had a case against him? And also, Sifisukwazi, even till today, what happened about a case Musa, or rather Kabab Khumalo ayivulele Umusa. Wema, allegedly, this is alleged, okay? Alleged news. Alleged. So yeah, guys, anyway, when it comes to Uthobile, guys, I feel like, who cares if she was a problematic child growing up? Like, who cares, okay? She was probably going through adolescence, and it happens to everyone, you know. Adolescence is adolescence. But now she is a millionaire. Now she is a well-respected, moneyed woman. And that's all that matters. She is a moneyed woman, well-respected. And those people who are talking BS about her online, writing on Facebook, they could be Tobile's employee. Like, they could be Tobile's employee. They could be in her payroll. You get? And that's all that matters. And it does not matter how you started life. It matters how you're going to end, you know? So I feel like most people are being hard on Uthobile, especially on the internet. Also, I do feel like Uthobile brought it onto herself. She did kind of provoke Umacele, because it was unnecessary for Uthobile to bring the conversation that she had with Umacele in confidential, and she brought it in to us, you know, on national TV, to the camera. And the way also she narrated it, she made it to be about herself, when Umacele is explaining what the whole conversation was never about Uthobile, was about herself. Umacele, when you came and joined in Mzumbe, Obabake bragged to me, you know. So it happens with Hausazali, but nakhona the whole thing was not directed to Uthobile, it was directed Umacele, you know. It was more about Umacele than it was about Uthobile. Anyways, guys, if someone is alleging that Khumalo was pregnant twice in high school, so sifisukwazi ke ukuthi Iphi ingane, where is the child? Like, I want to know where is the child. Also, guys, ubabakhe, you know, babakhe uyena umuntu omubi la. Like, honestly, uEthel King uyena umuntu omubi. He is definitely the common denominator. He's the one owatshela uMacele ukuthi ena he will never marry anyone from, or rather anyone who has a child, you know. That's what he said, or that's the promise that he made to Umacele, right? But ubabakhe had Umasaule as a second wife, and ubabakhe married Umasaule, you know. And by that time, ubabakhe had uMusa had his own baby mama, which was Umayeni at the time. So this means uMusa left his own baby mama, which was Umayeni, and married someone else's baby mama, which was Umasaule. And he was out here making promises. He was out here making promises to Umacele. Oh, poor Umacele is still holding on to those things that she was told by Ubabake. So clearly, Umtomubi lana Ubabake. Babake is the liar. Babake, like you are a liar. Because way before Utobile and Umangwabe joined in the family, like way before they joined in the family, Omuntu